morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dylan Hodson, also known as Your Average Roofer, and I'm here with Jason, the sales rep from GoGreen Canada. They create the 4Seasons solar powered vent, and today we're going to get Jason to actually install a vent for the first time on a roof. He is a sales rep, but he's not out here installing them, so we got him up here today, and we're going to get one of these vents installed. We're gonna go ahead, we're going to cut the shingles, we're going to install the vent, and then we're going to go over some features of this vent and tell you the pros and cons of using this ventilation system. Now we've got the vent installed, we got the box here just to show you guys the specs of the vent. What are some of the most common questions you guys get asked about installing this vent?
So a few common questions. One of them is that, does it need any electrical setup or any wiring? The answer is no. You just install this like you would any other vent. There's no assembly, there's nothing special you have to do about this product. You literally just put it in like a regular vent.
So basically right out of the box.
Right out of the box,
running.
I would give it a quick, just point it in the sky for a few seconds, make sure it's working. It'll take about 4 or 5 seconds to kick off,
yep.
And then you're good to go.
And do you guys offer a warranty on this vent?
Yes, we do. It's a 10-year warranty. So that 10-year warranty covers absolutely anything that can go wrong with the product, stops working, if it makes any noise, or anything else that shouldn't be happening, right? When we assemble these vents, we make sure to quality control test every single one so that we're confident that out of the box it should be working. But if there's anything, that 10-year warranty keeps you safe.
Excellent. And
yeah.
What does this vent cover up to for attic square footage?
So one of these vents, when it's active, can do up to 500 square feet of attic space, right? You do have to keep in mind, as a passive vent, it has 55 square inches of net-free area. So at night, it's just going to be a regular passive vent. And same thing, let's say, God forbid, way down the line, if it ever goes or if it ever quits, it's going to be a passive vent again. So, but they are supposed to last more than 15 years.
So when this vent is active and actually running, the motor's running,
yeah.
How much air is it actually pulling out of your vent, or out of your attic, sorry?
So one of these vents is pulling 400 cubic feet of air per minute out of the attic, right? Yep. That's on a nice sunny day. On a cloudy day like this, might be a little bit slower, but it'll be in that range of at least 250 to 300 CFM. But optimally,
so it's pulling lots of air out of your attic.
Lots of air, 400 cubic feet of air per minute. I mean, when you install this thing, you can feel it. I would literally point it to the sky, put your hand right there, you'll literally feel the air. It's a lot of air that's moving. So.
And what kind of motors do you guys put in these things?
So we use brushless DC motors, and we put Japanese ball bearings in there. So those are the highest quality motors we can find. A good portion of the cost of this vent is actually the motor in there. Nice, heavy, strong motor, and it's also weather resistant, so sealed off to the elements.
And in the winter time, will this still run?
Yes, in the wintertime it will run. I mean, we have very cold winters, you know, -30, -40 Celsius. We designed this product specifically for Canadian weather. And it's very important that it runs in the winter because you do not want a hot attic when it's -30 or -20 outside.
Absolutely.
Yeah. A few other things, it's a hail resistant solar panel. So that solar panel is coated in a tempered glass, yep. Making it very, very hard to break. And like I said, it is hail resistant. It's a polycarbonate, it's an ABS polycarbonate mix that it's made of, which is a very strong plastic. Won't change or fade in color during the summer, and it won't chip or freeze or lose integrity during the winter. So those are a few important things.
Are you guys exclusive in Canada, or do you guys sell in the United States as well?
We sell to Canada and United States. So if there's a contractor that wants to buy these, they just have to get in touch with their local roofing supplier, and we can make that happen very easily.
And do they have to go through a roofing supplier, or can they contact you guys directly?
We have an Amazon website, so if they want to buy, well, they can contact us, but we only sell to roofing suppliers. Yeah.
Okay. Is there any way they can contact you though? Do you have a website? Do you have email?
You can go on CanadaGoGreen.com or info@CanadaGoGreen.com if you'd like to send an email, or you can give me a call, 416-559-0625. That's my mobile, and I can set it up very easily.
And there you guys go. You guys need one of these vents, contact Jason.
Yep.
Talk to your local roofing supply store and start selling them on your guys' roofs.
Yep. I want to say thank you for having me on here, you know, and
yes, thanks for
showing
coming.
me how to install our own product. It's very Your Average Roofer, big supporter of our products. We love him, you know. Keep doing what you're doing. Okay.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure having you out here today. It was a pleasure installing one of your products. And like I said, guys, go check them out online. Check out CanadaGoGreen.com and get your guys' vents today.